Hi folks, I had an interesting comment recently from Stony RC, who writes, tongue in cheek, your palette is a disgrace, your technique is chaotic, and you appear to break every watercolour rule in the book. But, they say, your pictures are bloody wonderful, and you're endlessly generous to the online community in your tutorials. Now to that, obviously I appreciate what they're saying. I always look, the way I always think of it is the rules are there, or the guidelines, should I say, are there to sort of help you learn the basics, whether it's watercolours, oils, acrylics, whatever it is you want to learn, and whatever subject matter you're working from. For the beginners, everybody needs guidelines just to get off on a steady footing. But once you've learnt the basics, then it's time to sort of branch out and try and do your own thing, start experimenting. And that's when you can start breaking all these rules. That's when all these really successful artists, the sort of artists where, the sort of work where you either love it or hate it, but it stands out. You don't want to be middle of the road, just average, traditional landscapes, which I'm guilty of doing so many myself. You want to sort of do the stuff that's really bit more provocative, the sort of stuff that someone either loves it or hates it, but it gets noticed. And that's when you want to start breaking the rules. So, you know, if a dirty palette works, if you prefer nice, clean watercolours, then obviously a cleaner palette might work better for you. If you want to be more rough and ready, fast and loose, then just do it the way I do it. Palette doesn't have to be clean and tidy all the time. Same with the techniques, just whacking it on, bashing it in, all the rest of it. So, yeah, basically break the rules, keep experimenting, and just try and be different. Alright, I'll catch you next time.